Tired of wasting hours manually updating your project budgets? Worried that a small Excel mistake could lead to costly errors? Planyard eliminates duplicate data entry and allows you to track your project budget against actual costs in real time. Let's see how Planyard makes it easy. At the end of the workday, we open Planyard to quickly process invoices. A simple notification highlights what needs attention. With one click, we open the project and see 3 invoices waiting for processing at the top of the menu. One click to open the Demolition Works invoice. We select which budget lines to allocate it to. Enter the costs, check the remaining budget, and hit Submit. For the next invoice, we select its timesheet, choose the corresponding budget line, check the estimated hourly rate, enter the hours, see the remaining budget, and submit. Now, as we check the project budget, it's already automatically updated, allowing us to track costs against estimates in real time. How do invoices go to the accountant? Your accountant will love Planyard if you're using Xero or QuickBooks. The system processes vendor invoices directly into the accounting software, eliminating manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Alternatively, invoices can be automatically processed via email, or if your accountant uses invoice scanning tools, they can import invoices without setting up an integration. How do vendor invoices get into Planyard? You can upload them manually, but there are even better ways. One click from your email. When you receive a new invoice in your inbox, simply link it to the right project in one click. Works for both Outlook and Gmail. Auto import from accounts payable inbox. Set up auto forwarding so new invoices appear in Planyard automatically. Get started in minutes. When your next project begins, log into Planyard, visit the knowledge base, and select Get Started with the Essential Package. The setup takes just 15 to 30 minutes, and from then on, you'll manage your budgets without spreadsheets or duplicate data entry.